In this tutorial, you'll learn how to quickly connect your Payhip store to your PayPal account for seamless payments. To begin, open the store builder from your Payhip dashboard. This will prepare your store for the payment setup. Next, click the Connect Payment Method button to add a payment option to your store. When prompted, select your PayPal email using autofill or enter it manually to start linking your PayPal account. Now, confirm your PayPal account selection to continue the connection process. Then proceed in the PayPal window by reviewing your email and country, and click Next to continue. At the login screen, select the password box and enter your PayPal password to sign in securely. After entering your details, click Login to access your PayPal account and proceed. You'll see a permissions page. Grant Payhip access by clicking Allow so your store can receive payments. Finally, return to Payhip to complete connecting your store. Your PayPal account is now set to accept payments. You've successfully connected Payhip with PayPal. Your store is now ready to accept payments.